Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. In today's video, we are doing the Puppy Fountain by Winda Fireworks. This is a small dog-shaped fountain. It looks super cute. It's almost like a heart with these 3 vents in the back. It looks like the eyes have vents out into the side as well as a vent into the nose. We got a cute little tail on this guy, and I'm old school Doctor Who fan. It reminded me of K9 from the Tom Baker years, so I had to get this one and check the fountain out. We have a 52-second duration on this one. We have that there's red, white, blue, and purple for color, but I don't see an actual performance on it, other than it emits a shower of sparks. So let's take this little puppy out back, light it up, and see if we're gonna get this one again or not. Puppy!